Good morning. 3 days ago I had my pig that gave birth. I had 5 little ones, and this one was in a poor shape. It was he was shaking, he was cold, he couldn't take the teat from the mother, and I was especially scared that the mother actually smash him and kill him. Because this happened very often with pigs. So what I've done, I've given him some heat, and I will show you in this video what I've done to make sure he's nice and healthy. To start, what we need a place for him to stay. So I choose a cardboard box. That way he can't escape, he can't run away. A cardboard box like this one, if you don't have any, just go to your supermarket, ask them, and they will gladly give it to you. Once you got it, you need to make him a bit comfy. So I've got him here, or her, and I've padded it, you see, with some sheets, and so now he's pretty comfy here. Okay, that's the first step. Now the second step is that we need to give him some heat. For that, I'm very happy because I've got that plate that I used when I raised some chicks. When they're newborn, they need some heat. So I've used this, and it was absolutely brilliant. I've placed it inside, and the piglet was just nice and warm. If you don't have this, it doesn't matter. There's also a special bulb that is made also to raise chicks that give heat. Now, if as well you don't have that and you're in winter, you can use a chimney, you can use a radiator. If you got nothing of those, well, you can use the human heat, and that's it. Okay, just make sure that it's nice and warm. Okay, so once that first step is done, now we're gonna have a look at the feed. This is the milk we've bought for our little pig. We've been to the vet, we've been to various shops as well, asking for a special milk, but nobody had a milk especially for pigs. So we bought this, which is made for cats and dogs. This doesn't worry me too much anyway, because in the past I had my dog that fed some kittens, and anybody interested in animals will know or would have heard at some point that some type of animal would have taken care of others, so usually the milk is compatible. The only worry I will have will be for cow's milk, which usually is not recommended for newborn. So with this, we have bought as well this bottle, because we thought to feed him will be easier. This was given with 2 spares and something to clean it. So now to prepare it is very easy. So the measures I will give you now are for this milk. If you buy another brand, it is possible that the measures are different. So what we do, we just boil the water, and then in a spare cup we're gonna take 5 coffee spoons inside. Then we're gonna take the milk, and same, we're gonna take 1 spoon. So try not to have it full, try to have it just like this, more or less. It doesn't have to be exact, but more or less like this. Okay, once you have it, you mix everything together, and then you fill up the bottle. This will come to approximately to the 20 mark, and then before obviously to give it to the pig, just test it like any like for a child, same thing. You just take the bottle, you pour it a little bit on your hand. If it burns you, well, it's not good for him. If it's okay, then you can feed him. So now we're gonna prepare the bottle, and I'm gonna feed him, and you're gonna see how he's gonna enjoy this. Because now we have him, as you can see, he is just enjoying that very, very much. And that's how we keep him alive. Yeah, little fella, yeah. So here I'm being helped with my assistant, Lucia. Which doesn't like too much being filmed, but anyway.
Babe, me estás tirando todo.
I hope you have liked the video, and I would like to point out that I am not professional. I'm just lucky to have a rather large piece of land, and I really enjoy having a lot of animals around. So I do have pigs, geese, cats, dogs, chickens, etc. Okay, and for me it's very important to see them in good health. If you are watching that video, surely it's your case as well. In the past, I had quite a lot of piglets that have died, and for me it was a very sad moment. If you have pigs at home too, you will know how it feels, and it's probably why you are watching that video. So I hope this will help you, and we'll see each other in the next one. Okay, see ya.